Welcome to Kitchen Alchemy. New Year's Eve is around the corner. Preparing for the celebration of the New Year is a very troublesome task, so it is better to choose New Year's recipes for the Year of the Snake in advance. Recipes for New Year's dishes for the Year of the Snake have a simple rule. This wise mythical animal must like them. There is a special attitude towards snakes in the East, and New Year's recipes should be special in the New Year 2025. The New Year's menu for the Year of the Snake must include various dishes of meat, herbs, and fruits. These are New Year's dishes made from pork, beef, and poultry. Fish dishes will be very useful on the New Year's table, because in China, fish is a symbol of good luck. Even on New Year's Eve, snakes will enjoy rice dishes. Do not forget about hot dishes and snacks. The snake likes to eat. And decorate the dishes with herbs. The green snake will like it. New Year's recipes for the Year of the Snake, 2025, can also be prepared using seafood, because 2025 is the Year of the Snake, and there are also water snakes and snakes eat fish. It can be a salad or a seafood appetizer. Accordingly, crabs, shrimps, and fish dishes will not hurt. New Year's meat dishes are not just beef or pork. There are also New Year's dishes made from chicken, duck, goose, and turkey. You can be creative and cook delicious 2025 New Year salads and delicious New Year snacks for the Year of the Snake in the shape of a snake. New Year's recipes for children for the Year of the Snake can be prepared from fruits and vegetables. You can bake cakes and cupcakes with painted snakes. Original New Year's recipes for the Year of the Snake for children can be made in the form of a snake using special molds. It would be good to decorate children's dishes for the Year of the Snake with an image of a snake. Draw its silhouette with cream, lay out a snake from dried fruits and nuts, and also make famous Chinese cookies with funny predictions. Recipes for the New Year's table in the Year of the Snake, 2025, should be chosen to be more refined and beautifully decorated. Do not forget about the aesthetics of the New Year's table. This year's host is a snake, cunning and wise, and since this is the year of the green snake, it would be nice to decorate the New Year's table with something green olives, avocado, sprigs of dill or parsley. Who knows what to do? And of course, from the dish of green products. The green color of the Year of the Snake symbolizes growth, and the snake in 2025 is wooden. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell button. Happy New Year! Best wishes to all of you.